Good morning! Today I'm sprinkling the feed, and she's waiting for it excitedly.
Give me more. Yeah, give me. Why are you just dropping one at a time? Give it all to me.
Suggest us topic for the tomorrow's video.
Yeah, we will add it to our daily backyard vlog. You missed the feed today.
Oh, really? I'm not very hungry at the moment. But I will have more than you in lunch.
Haha. Okay.
Yep,
Where's Chocolate?
she's hiding somewhere. Even our owner is searching for her.
Oh, we should help them.
Chocolate went missing today, but we found her after some time. See you tomorrow!